What's up guys, this is a quick video on how to fit a lack shelving unit from Ikea. So this is the lack shelving unit here, and it measures approximately 110 centimeters. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit it above this table here. So if you can see on the wall, I've already done some markings. And what I've done is I've left a gap of 33 centimeters for the bottom of the shelving unit. So the reason I've done that is so that I can slide a laptop underneath or anything. Basically, it just leaves me enough room to do whatever I want. So once I've marked off 33 centimeters, what I've done is I've got a level. And I've fitted it to the wall. I've made sure it's level and I've marked it off on either side. After that, what I've done is basically, if you can see inside here, this is the main bracket, what we have to fit to the wall, and the shelving unit just slides in. And if you can see underneath here, there's two screw holes here. So once you've fitted this, you screw them down and it holds it into place. But at this stage, once I've worked out where I wanted the shelving unit, the next thing I did, I marked off where the brackets go with a pencil line here and here. And then what I did then was I put this up against the wall. And in my case, I left equal gap on either side. And then I marked off on the wall where the bracket should be fitted against the wall. So right guys, after that step, once you know where you're going to fit it, the next thing we need to do is take this bracket out. I'll just move this out of the way. Let's put that there. And then after that, what we'll do is we'll get a pencil. We'll get the bracket. And if you can see there, I have marked it off with a level again, near to where the bracket's going to be, to make sure that it's level, because you do want your shelf to be level. So once I've done that, next step is to get the bracket and put it against the wall where you're going to have it. So mine's going to fit there, and I'm going to mark some spots where I'm going to actually fit it. Wow, it's moved. So I'm just going to line that back up again. I'm just going to take a few markings. So right guys, I've got my markings on the wall. The next thing we're going to do is drill some holes. So I'm going to actually use 2, 4, 6 holes. If I feel like that's not enough, I will drill a couple more, but I think 6 is more than enough to hold anything you're going to fit there. So I'm just making sure they're deep enough. So right, we're going to put some bore plugs in. Just get me hammer. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to get the screws, and we're going to start fitting these through. So I'm just going to connect the first two top ones up so it holds it into place. So just get the impact driver. I've just tightened it up, but I don't want to over tighten it yet at this stage until I've got it level. So that's the last 3 screws going in. Right guys, I don't know if I got all that in, but I've just screwed the screws in. So that's in place, ready. The final thing we need to do is slide the shelf back on. this out of the way. So right guys, there you go. That's how you fit a kallax shelving unit. The only thing we do need to do is these two last screws. We need to fit that from underneath here and here. That's the last final thing we need to do. So right guys, that's the kallax shelving unit fitted to the wall. So right guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.